Hi everyone, thank you. Thanks for joining. So this video is slightly different than what I have been building in the past. In the past, I have been doing a lot of proof of concepts using Azure, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Confluent, Databricks, AI, streaming platform, analytics pipeline, things like that. But this video is slightly different. I've been egged by my wife and my daughter to kind of build something different, and they wanted the one of the honeydew tasks to get done. So that's why I attempted to. I'm not very handy, but I attempted this, and I felt it was really successful. And I got a sense of accomplishment. So I guess if I lose my job because of AI, then I always have a second career option here. So with that, this video is going to be about digital lock install at my home. So I hope you watch this and try to do some of these things by yourself as well. Saves money, gives you sense of accomplishment as well. So stay tuned. Itu correct?